This is a digital combination lock that opens a solenoid lock when entering the correct password. This is created using Arduino, 16x2 LCD, some push buttons, resistors, 2 LEDs, a buzzer, 12-volt regulator. I'll demonstrate now how it works. So when you enter the correct password, 37 83 5 64 16 48, the lock opens. A green LED flashes, and you have the option to enter a new password or exit. We're now going to enter a new password. So we can enter any number you want. So we're going to go backwards. 16 is our new number, 48, 37, 83, 64, and 5. And the lock will close. Now if you're to enter that new password, the lock will open. Now let's exit. Lock will close. Now if you enter the incorrect password, you have 3 tries. After those 3 tries, it'll lock you out and the buzzer will go off. Access denied. Access denied twice. Buzzer goes off. The combo opens in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.